Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pallavi Divekar and I welcome you all to the season 5 of the Plants Education series episode first. That is, this time it is going to be let's dive into the interesting world of honeybees, who happen to be our major pollinators, and without them, we won't be able to survive. Honeybees are social insects that exhibit striking caste-specific differences in their lifespan. They are broadly classified or divided into queens, workers, and drones. For some interesting facts, some beekeepers were very amazed as they found out green colored, blue colored, and even red colored honey in their beehives. So, what was giving these specific colors to their honey? Until they found out that the bees were visiting the nearest M&M factories, that is the candy factory, and were feeding on candies which was giving their honey these colors. The colors used to match according to the color of the candy the bees were feeding on.
Hello, my name is Dr. Piyusha Bhagde. The queen can live up to 2 years. Her main function is to lay eggs. Workers live up to 2 to 6 weeks in summer and up to 20 weeks in winters. Drones live for 21 to 32 days during spring and summer and die after mating, or they are expelled from the hive before winters.
Have you ever seen little bees in the evening sitting on the flowers? Those are old and sick bees. Old and sick bees don't return to their hives at the end of the day, as they have the sense that their end is near and they don't want to burden the hive for when they die. So, this is one of the best qualities of bees that I find interesting. See how intelligently they have been programmed.
Hello friends, this is Swati Gawande with Pallavi Divekar. Stages of life cycle of honeybees are eggs, larvae, pupa and adults. Eggs, fertilized eggs becomes females, unfertilized eggs become male, that is drones. Larvae hatch after 3 days and are fed royal jelly for future queen or a mixture of pollen and honey for workers and drones. Larvae develop into pupa, spinning cocoons within their cells. Adults, after once the stage is complete, the adult honeybee emerge with queen taking 16 days, workers taking 18 to 24 days, drones taking up to 24 days to develop.
Old and sick bees spend their nights on the flowers, and if they have another chance to see the daylight, they resume their activity of bringing pollen and nectar to the beehive. Do you know that bees have 5 eyes? And they do this little waggle dance to indicate the food resources to other bees. And they can even identify human faces. Isn't that awesome? by now you might be knowing this, right? That besides the ghee, honey is the only food source that is rich in enzyme, easy to digest, and can be given to even babies. So next time you see a little bee sitting upon a flower as the night closes in, just thank the little bee for her lifelong service.